Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my productive evening routine and talking about all the things that I like to get done the night before so that my day runs as smoothly as possible. Today's video is also a collaboration with HelloFresh, so a huge thank you to them for teaming up with me today. HelloFresh is a monthly meal kit delivery service. This is one that I've actually tested out in the past and have been a huge fan of. I think their recipes are incredibly flavorful. The food reminds me of something that I would order or get at like a really nice restaurant. So that's something really fun about this. Also, everything comes pre-measured out, which I can really appreciate as a busy mom. I've got 3 little kids and my evening routine involves a lot of steps. I have a lot to get ready to be prepared for the next day, so I feel like this just saves me time in the kitchen so that I can also move on to other things I need to get done. I will have the link down in the description box where you can sign up for this, and if you use my code with Candace60, you will actually get 6 free meals, which is amazing. If you do decide to check it out, I know you're gonna love it. The meals are delicious and, like I said, so easy to prepare. After dinner, I definitely like to get started on the dishes. Having them sit in the sink is just, to me, an eyesore. I can't handle it. Let me know in the comments below if you're like me and you cannot handle dishes in the sink. I certainly have days where I don't get to the dishes for a really long time, and even some nights where I really just am too tired to get to them. But as a general rule, I really do like to have them done pretty quickly after dinner. As part of the kitchen cleanup, I will also take out the trash, and all of this is stuff that my family will help me with. They just weren't here as I was filming this, but I definitely get them to help. A thorough clean of the kitchen is really important to me, so I'll make sure that the floors get swept and everything gets wiped down. I just love a clean kitchen, and to get all of this done the night before is really nice to wake up to. Then I'll head upstairs and get started on some laundry. If it's late, sometimes I won't even start this, but even if I do plan on starting it the next morning, I like to get all of it sorted, darks and lights, get the load in that I want to start the next day, put the soap in and a little bit of my detergent booster, and then I will either run it if it's not too late, or I will just let it sit until the next morning. Also, I've been trying to get the laundry folded and put away every single night because it's another thing that really quickly and easily piles up for me. I feel like if I do not stay on top of this, it will become a nightmare. I might remove a couple stains. I saw some yellow spots on Evan's shirt that I wanted to work on and try and get out, so I definitely spend a little bit of time in the laundry room each evening. While I'm putting things away, it's a great opportunity for me to just grab the kids' clothes for the next morning so that I can set them out. These are just really, really simple things, but added up all together, I feel like save me a huge amount of time in the morning, especially as I'm getting kids off to school. This is Lila's outfit. I could not decide which bow I liked better, pink or blue, but let me know in a comment down below which one is your favorite. We bring our own snack to preschool. Blake is in preschool this year, and some things that I really like to pack for him are some whole almonds, some pretzels, fish crackers. I also like to give him applesauce, string cheese. Every now and then I'll put like a homemade cookie in there, or maybe some chocolate chips to go along with the almonds. And if he has something that does need to be refrigerated, I'll just stick the whole baggie into the refrigerator, even if it has things like pretzels and nuts. Before bed, I like to have my kids help me do a 10-minute tidy, and this will include their toys, books, anything that they've gotten out and played with. Then I myself, and with Cody's help a lot of the time, will do at least a 10 to 20 minute tidy up. I'll just put away anything that got left out, straighten the couches, I might vacuum. Sometimes I even clean the bathrooms because I can get them done really fast, especially with the kids asleep. Let me know if you relate to this, but I find myself on my phone or on Netflix a lot in the evening. I feel like I need to spend less time on electronics and journal maybe, or read. Keeping a mom journal is something that I have loved to do, and I love looking back and reading the sweet things my kids have done and said, or just my thoughts and feelings. I also feel like this definitely contributes to mental productivity, and it's just a nice way to end the evening. So like I said, I'm going to try really hard to get better about doing that instead of being on my electronics so much. Anyway guys, that's going to wrap it up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to check the links below for HelloFresh and to use my code for your 6 free meals. I hope you're all having a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!